Ọdụnụfe na chimu na-eleta m ọdụnụfe ọdụnụfe na chimu hụrụ m n'anya. Anya ndị ya full of the eyes of the Lord. He that touches me has tampered with the Lord. Anya ndị ya full of the eyes of the Lord. He that touches me tampered with the Lord. Hallelujah. I said he that touches me has tampered with the Lord. I am the apple of his eye. Hey, he that touches me tampered with the Lord. Hallelujah. I sing hallelujah. Oh, Jime guri egwe. Jime hallelujah. Oh. Touches me, tampered with the Lord. Hallelujah. Ona na chimeji meguri egwe. Unekwere wo noji meguri egwe. Onye na-achọ mokwu na-achọkwa Chineke mokwu. For he that touches me, tampered with the Lord. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Umuchukwu kuwara egwe dị mma. Of the Lord over me, He's so wonderful, so marvelous to my side. When I remember the goodness of the Lord over me, He's so wonderful, marvelous to my side. Hallelujah. For God so loved the world that He gave His only beloved Son. This is the level of the love He has for me. He that touches me, tampered with the Lord. Hallelujah.